I realized something. I have been sharing skincare content here, but I have never properly introduced myself. So before you keep trusting my advice, I think you should get to know who I really am. We recently hit 500 subscribers on this channel, and I am honestly so grateful to each and every one of you that has been supporting. So I thought this is the perfect time to do this introductory video to open up a little and let you get to know me better. So here are a few things you'd love to know about me. So my name is Immaculate for easy pronunciation. I am from Imo State and my tribal name is Chiwendu. I was born in October 18th. I am currently 27 years old. I come from a family of 7. We have 5 children and I am the last born. Yes. And then for school, I went to Cross River University of Technology where I studied biological science. Graduated in 2021. My marital status, I'm married. Yeah. 2 years now. It will be 3 years in marriage this year. That's just basically it. Content creation. I didn't just start out as a content creator. Sharing skincare content has been something that I've been passionate about, but I think I just didn't have the time as I then to go real deep into it. I have struggled with skin. I struggled with skin concerns, like a lot of skin issues. So I was able to get it right at some point, and I'm still figuring out a lot of things. I'll try to be attaching pictures of the last memories I created because I'm not really good at creating memories, so I lost a lot of them. But I'll just attach the ones I have. For my hobby, I love going out. I love researching. I love adventure. I love learning new things, getting to meet people, go out there, see the world from different places. I just love things that keep my mind engaged. Yeah, I don't like idleness. I am always up to something. I'm always trying to figure out something, and this has been my driving force in this content space, right? At some point in my life, I even went for skincare training to get to know everything about skin and ingredients, right? This is not just a regular content creator. This is just actually somebody that's sharing her real experience, my struggle and my wins also when it comes to my skin. There was a time I wasn't confident in my skin at all. Oh my goodness, you needed to see me. I struggled with severe hyperpigmentation. I struggled with uneven skin tone. I even had stretch marks. I made a lot of skin mistakes. Used products that completely damaged my skin and left my barrier completely disrupted. So I struggled from that stage as an early teen and up to my early years as an adult before I was able to figure it out. Skincare for me has always been something that I am very passionate about. I love to look good. I love to take care of myself, and I love to be intentional about my appearance. I mean, my skin is the biggest organ in my body, right? So I need to really pay particular attention to it. I'm not really fortunate to have a good skin, so I need to pay extra attention to get to the level I want to be in terms of my skin. So in terms of skincare, I am not about complicated skincare routines or expensive products. I am just about minimal skincare routine that actually gives me results. Yes, that are result driven. I don't need anything that is overly expensive or will not give me a significant improvement in the aspect where I got the item for, right? So I love to keep it simple, keep it minimal, not overly complicated, not overly expensive, just something that works very well. So for work, I have done a lot of things. I have hustled. I am somebody that I don't like being idle, and I am passionate about making good out of my life. I have done business. I have worked 9 to 5, and I have done a lot of things in terms of career. I come from a family where we are business people. My parents are both business people. So this is about my love for adding value. I love to bring value to places. While I was in school, I studied makeup. I used to be a makeup artist as far back as 2017, 2018. Between that was in my year 2. And then fast forward to my year 3, I started looking for some other business to do. And then when COVID hit, I went into hair business. I started selling hair. So I sold hair as a student. And that was able to sustain me. I grew my savings until I went for my NYSC, which brought me to Abuja, Nigeria. Right, so I lost my clientele and I couldn't really keep up with the business until I used my business money and savings for every other thing. And then while doing NYSC, I had to work 9 to 5. I got my PPA. From there, I started working 9 to 5. I started working in big tech because it was an internet provider company. That was why I did my NYSC. So from there, that was how I got into the corporate lifestyle. Did that for a couple of years, like 2 years. I still work 9 to 5 though, but not the regular ones where I have to be at the office every day. Right now, I'm just building something for myself, and I feel like this is time to build my own brand. To get to put myself out there, and also make something that I know that is very substantial. I'm into freelancing also. I'm a virtual assistant, and that is what I do for work. I create content too. These are like my favorite things to do right now. Yeah, that's what I do. I naturally love telling stories, and that is why I think this content theme is something I should have done right from the onset, but I never really had the chance. When I say I never really had the chance, let me just say the truth. I never really had the courage. I was always shy and always questioning myself. Would people listen to me? Do people care? But then one day in 2025, okay, something struck me, and it was like, you have something to offer. Why are you not offering this? Because when it comes to skincare, people usually approach me a lot and ask me in real life. So I just figured out, why can't I bring it up here? Connect it with my storytelling lifestyle. I can be a little dramatic here. So I feel that's fun. And that is what life should be all about, right? Yeah. So in terms of my life, I don't have everything figured out yet. I'm still finding my path. Yes, I'm still finding my path, because that's what life is all about. You don't just settle for things, you continue going, go after your dream until you get it. And even after you get it, you keep pushing, you keep working hard to make sure it is substantial and it's something that actually brings value to people. And in the long run, it's fulfilling and rewarding to you. That is always something I have been passionate about in my life. I want this space to be where we grow, where we feel confident about ourselves, better skin, and of course, be the best of ourselves. If you have been watching my content and you have never actually commented before, please drop a comment. Just tell me about yourself, probably your name and your location. I actually want us to connect. I want this space to be where we can actually talk about everything and anything, just relate, connect, and let's just vibe. Yeah. If you have made it up to here, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you're just seeing me for the first time, hit that subscribe button. I promise you're not going to regret it. Here I share honest skincare reviews. I tell you how to follow up your skin issues and to help you get the real solution to your skin issue. You can always drop your questions in the comments. Let's connect, please. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.